Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of Aqsit. In this video, we'll understand how to use the expense tracker feature. So every time you create a new project, you'll find a section of expense tracker. In it, you'll find income and expenses. Every time your client is paying you money, you'll note it down in income. And every time a spend is occurring from your behalf, you'll note it down in expenses. So the total of income, expenses, and the balance amount of cash will show up in the dashboard. Let's get inside incomes first. So these are the 3 payments that have been made yet. I'll add another payment that I have just received of 20,000. I'll put in a note. You can put whatever note you feel like. Set a date for the income. Here we go. And when I see in the dashboard, the total income will reflect. Now let's get inside expenses. So inside expenses, you can also categorize all the spends that are happening. So it will be easier for you to track. All the categories will show up in the categories tab. You can add categories that you feel like. I have created multiple categories here that were required in the project. Now let's create a spend. So I had a spend of 2,000 rupees today. In transportation of plywood. I'll note it under the transport category. Remember, you can always add a new category from here by clicking on add new button. For now, I'm going with the transport category and I'm adding the expense. And there you can see in the 11th March, you'll find the transport of plywood spend and 2,000 rupees as expense. In this way, you'll be able to track all the expenses that have happened previously inside this project. With this feature, you'll be more clear with respect to all the transactions that are happening inside the project, and you'll be always answerable to your client. You can watch all the tutorial videos in the help section inside the tutorials folder. You can check out other guides here as well. If you'd like to schedule a personalized demo with our team, you can click on go to book a demo on the top of the help page. Here you'll be able to select a date and time and you'll receive a personalized scheduled demo. Thank you.